Here is a video on select similar, and you'll notice here that I have a bunch of prongs, some under bezels, gems. They happen to all be on the same layer, and so you might have to hold down shift and start selecting things to select them all. But if you come over and select one and go to tools and go to select similar, which there's a black outline prong and then two that are selected is what that icon means. And with one selected and then clicking that button, you'll notice that it selected all of them. These all happen to be the same size or close enough for the builder to select them. If we go ahead and pick one, and I'm just going to real quick resize it like so, and then we select one and hit cell similar, you'll notice that that one is far enough apart that it did not select it. Let's go ahead and size it just a little bit like so. Yeah, so unless they're very, very similar, it will not pick them, but you could always hold down shift and add to the selection and then group them or change the layer if you want and so on. Now at first glance you may not be able to tell if all the gems are the same size either, so the function also works on gems. And then you can see over here that those are 2x2s, and there's 30 of them. And you could also tell if they're the same size by clicking on one and then clicking on another, and notice that that didn't change. But if you had a whole bunch, maybe a pave field, and you wanted to see which ones were the same, you could do that. And an example of that might be, okay, so you may want to see if this gem is the same size as any other gems, and so we'll go ahead and click select similar, and you can see that this one is the same as here, 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 and here also, which they are 2.1, and then we can see maybe these two are the same, and they're not. Those are 1.4s, and these are 1.3s. So that's how that works.